type detachers are compatible with both different kinds, AM and RF hardtacks. Detacher is used to remove the pin or lanyard from hardtacks. There are two types of detachers, magnetic and mechanical. We have more than 20 models of magnetic detacher for choice and 5 models for mechanical detacher. Mechanical detacher is used to open super tags and gator tags, while magnetic detacher is used to open magnetic lock hardtacks. The magnetic power is from 4,000 Gauss to 10,000 Gauss or more. Highlight also supplies rectangle detacher for display hook, mini detacher for stop locks, and special detacher for optical tags.